What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube video. Okay, so today I got some new stuff. I I'm gonna go grab the new shoes that I got. Please like and subscribe. So let's see if you can get it before I get my shoes and come back. Ready, set, go. Did you do it, guys? These are my new shoes. They kind of look like Yeezys. They're ponies. They're ponies, if you can see it in the inside. Okay, so today I got some fidget toys. Let's start off with the puzzle ball. Okay. So it just so there's holes. You put the hole. You can take the So whenever you push down one of the balls and then you push it down into the hole, it goes into the other hole. And then you could scramble it. So I'm about to solve it. 3, 2, 1, solved. Okay, that's the gear ball. I got a soccer fidget spinner, 2 of them, actually. One big one and one mini one. Impossible to spin with one finger on it. Pop tube. And don't blame me if I get the names wrong because these are my first Pop-It fidget toys on it. Yeah. I think this is a block snake. Yeah. Block snake. Hopefully. There's 2 of them. Where did the other one go? Let me find the other one and I'll show you the other one. Oh, here it is. The other one is orange and green. This one is black and pink. This is a heart puzzle. You take out all the pieces. You could take out pieces. But some of them you can't take out. Like this one, like this orange one, you can't take out. Yeah, so then you put in the pieces like this. You push. It's so hard. Okay, I got it in, and then it goes back into a heart. Let's see what these are. I really forgot what these were. Comment down below what these are because I forgot. I think these are finger rings. Maybe. I'm just gonna call them finger rings, okay? Yeah, these are gonna be called fingerlings for this video. Comment down below what they're called if I'm wrong. For everything also. Just comment down below if I'm wrong with the name, okay? Bicycle, I know this one's gonna be right. Bicycle chain. It's a small bicycle chain. Kinda cheap also. Okay. Mini fidget spinner. I have 3. Purple, blue, and yellow. The blue one is my favorite because blue is my favorite color. This one you can do one finger. Oof. Okay. Please hit that to stop the video. Because it fell right on where you do to stop the video. Infinity cube. Yeah, I'm new to fidgets, so don't blame me. Marble mesh, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is marble mesh. Don't come over here to try to trade for these because I just got them. Well, you could. If you're gonna trade me a Pop-It. Because I need to get a Pop-It. Okay. I really forgot what this was called. Comment down below what it is. It's this. I forgot. Comment down below because I forgot. So it doesn't. So I'm not gonna hit. Next we'll do these. What are these called? I forgot. Again. Okay, open. What are these things? What are they? They're squishy. Feels like a stress ball, just smaller. Well, yeah, those are it. So I got those. I got a panda one also, I'm just not gonna open it. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you my other marble mush. This one is red, white, and blue. America. Monkey noodle. It's the monkey noodle top. I'm making a YouTube video. Monkey noodles. I forgot what you're supposed to do with it. Oh yeah, you're supposed to make bicycle chain. Bicycle chain. Get everything done. Give me a second. Guys, don't blame me whenever I film on my computer. I don't edit because there's no editing software for me to use on my computer. Oh yeah, and for that last one, I also got a koala face. I might trade you this for Lilo and Stitch. Okay, so monkey noodles. They're pretty fun. I wouldn't use them all the time. Okay, next I got Earth Stress Ball. I got a football stress ball. This makes like a weird air noise whenever you squeeze it. We have a game kind of one. I won the game, guys. So you had to get all of the rings onto the you have to get all the rings onto one of the pegs. Well, you have to get all the rings onto all of the pegs. And there's 3 pegs and 3 rings. It's really cool. I finished it. It's really fun. And challenging. Okay, next let's do this. I forgot what this is called, guys. Comment down below what it's called. Yep, that's this. I forgot what it was called. Comment down below what this is called. Bad lighting, guys. Hey, let me go turn on the... I'm just gonna go turn on the lights real quick. Okay, there we go. Here. This is it. Comment down below what this is called in the comments, and what this is, and what okay, I think comment down below what this is. I think it's just like a bouncy ball, kind of. Doesn't really bounce well, though. I don't know what it could be. Comment down below what it is. Okay, for my favorite things, these are the last 2 things. Let me unbox one of them. ASMR. It's you. Okay. You ready? Landon, I know you're gonna like this. You ready? Dun 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 dun. A Rubik's Cube. Okay, I have 2 Rubik's Cubes. Yeah. Okay. It actually turns really good for a small Rubik's Cube. I have another one. It was so hard to turn. I also like the white on it. Turns really good. Sometimes it'll get caught up, but yeah, it's gonna happen. Okay, let's open the other one also. I might keep one of them solved and then the other one like scramble for like me and my friend to try to solve. Guys, don't blame me, but I can't solve a Rubik's Cube. I hear these hardcore cubers watching this. I really like this one. Oh, maybe it isn't. Maybe it is possible to do it one fingered on this, but it's just really hard. Well, that's it for the unboxing, guys. See you next time on Bear's Corn. Dun, 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 dun. Bye. Like and subscribe, please. Bye.